Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprises Play. And today we're going to be opening Cleo De Nile from Monster High Skulltimate Secrets, and I am literally floored that she came to my address already. So my boyfriend bought me a few of these, and they're slowly going to be trickling into my front doorstep. So I can't wait to open them all. I really want Draculaura, but for the first one being Cleo De Nile, I think that is just, she's amazing. I love Cleo. So let's just get started. Here we have our locker, our Skulltimate Secrets locker. We have a cup of water or a jar of water for the color change and a towel to dry off the keys. So let's see what she looks like. Cleo! Let me see her. Oh, she's so cute. I love her shirt and her molded on bandages. Her shirt looks really cool. It kind of looks like a space theme. Her shoes are really cute too. So here's her locker. I won't go too in depth of it because I want to save it for you guys too, to have a little bit of personal relationship with the doll. So let's grab our first key and see what we have in here. So let's actually take out Cleo, which it looks like she's in a cardboard background. And we can actually take that out, but actually, can we? I've seen it taken out. Let me just cut out the doll and then we'll see. Hardly get in here with my scissors. She's tied up by her waist and the back of her head. Oh. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. This face. Look at it. Isn't she beautiful? Look at how they did her makeup. Her highlight, her contour, her lippy, so cute. See, her shirt is kind of a space theme, there's some type of little, I don't know exactly know what her shirt is, but it's cute. Or it's a shirt. And then she's got a little tie on the side. I don't know if that was supposed to be in a bow, but it's not right now, so. And then just look at this gathered skirt. It's so cute. This doll is wow. I can't even with how cute she is. And then let's show you her shoes, because we were getting into talking about her shoes. They have the teal, blue, and gold. So this is blue, this is teal, or turquoise. So pretty! And then she has tinsel in her hair. And her hair is a few different colors. There's black, blue, and gold. I think there's also a light blue. Yep, there's a light blue as well. So pretty. So pretty, Cleo. Okay, so let's get her key out, which is in the back down here. This was just some little paper I got with the doll. Oh, cool. So it's telling you to use the keys and what each one has in there. This is cool. Shows you how to do it. So I'm assuming you're gonna put it in cold water. Color reveal key, bowl not included. Okay, let's see if I have the right temperature water. Let's cut the key out of the back of this box. Okay. And let's see what color we have. No color change? Oh, you have to like rub it off? Ew, that sucks. I wish it would just... Oh, this is nasty. This is getting black everywhere. Look at it. Ew. It's nasty. It's almost like you have to leave it in there. Ugh. This is not making me happy. I'm just gonna not do the color change with the rest of them and then look at the bottom because this is just too much. But we have blue. I don't like things that make messes all over my hands. I know it should be fun, but that was not fun. Because you can totally see the color in the bottom of the key, like when this is still on, you can still see the color at the bottom. So I don't know why they did that, but it looks like we get to open this one. So, and I think we can use the same key for all of them. And we got another key, a headband. This is all crooked now. Pretty jewels on it. It'll focus. It's like not focusing on it. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh no. It went out of focus. Okay, and then we got some earrings. No, we have a little, what is this? An earring? Maybe? I'll have to look at the packaging, but there's a little like peg. Let's put the water in the towel over here. Okay. So, and then we got this pretty bracelet. If it'll focus. Sucks. I hate doing the hand thing, but here we go. So that's what it looks like. It's like a little flower, and I think it's a necklace. So a headband, a necklace. Let's see, what does she look like? Oh, there was one earring, so it is an earring. But there was only one. Oh, there's two. Good thing I did not throw that away yet. Okay, so we're gonna do the color change and see if this is real. So this looks like a gold one. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So here's the key, and the bottom still shows you a color. So see how that's gold or yellowy? See, it's gold. We get to open this one, but let's put it in the water and I'll show you guys for sure that it's gold. So gross. It's all murky now. Well, there's a key in there. Oh, that looks so weird. Why does that look weird on camera? Why? Why does that look like that? Oh. The key is in there, I promise. You just can't tell because the water's all gross now. Like, this is literally the color of the water. Like, here, let me put the towel behind so you can literally tell. This is gross. What am I gonna do with black water? Okay, so it is, I was right. gold. I guess we'll just do all the color change features. Oh, but it's getting black water and I don't want it to stain my doll. Okay. So let's see what our next surprise is. So I think you can open all of these doors with the same key. Well, this was the color change one. Where's my original one? Oh, maybe the first one was a color change. Okay. So, yes, you can use the same key for each one. I wonder who made these. So we have a gold key, a blue key. And I'm just gonna put those right there. And we got, oh, a key ring of our little skullette. But it's also a key ring to hold all of our keys. So let's just open that. We'll put, well, the first key was gold. I mean, blue. Gold. Okay. And then we have another key. And then we have shoes for the other outfit. Really cute. So this is what they look like. They got little pyramids. And then these cute little shoe. Oh, it went out of focus. Come on. Focus again, camera. You got this. So it has just little designs. Oh, it's a snake. A slithery snake. See, it's a snake on her shoe. Cute. Cute, cute. Oh, there's two snakes. So here's the other snake. Why won't it focus? Oh, well. You saw what I was showing you. Oh, they kind of stick out. So, see, they like stick out on the side. The little snaky snake. The little sneaky snake. And then we have our key, which I'll show you guys the color. I should have cut that. My cat's gonna eat that plastic if I don't pick it up, so I better pick it up. But see, this one is light blue. You can still see the color of it at the bottom of the key, so I don't know why we have to color change it, but we'll do that. So let's stick this in the water to color change. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to find the key now. The water's so murky. Okay, and we got another key. It's a pink key. Do I not have to put this in the water? Nice. And then, oh, cute. Her shirt that goes over, and it's just a bow. It's a straight up bow. Look how cute. It's just a bow, but it's a shirt. And so, like, her back and her arms are the bow. Like, that is so cute. It's not a bow, it's a shirt. It's, well, it's a shrug. It's a pullover. But that is so cute. It's just a bow. Like, I'm looking at it from my angle, and I just see this. It's a bow. It's a shirt, but it's a bow. Oh, there's more in there. Okay, and then we have, oh, these cute little shorts. Okay, so maybe I can figure out what these are. So it looks like a cat, or, yeah, it looks like a cat, but I don't know if it's a cat. This is hard to figure out. I would think it was a cat because that's Egyptian. Okay, let me see if I can show you guys what I'm talking about. See, it looks like a cat. Like, right? Doesn't that look like a cat? Here's a big one. That is definitely a cat. Or a snake with legs. Here's a really good one, you can tell. Or see it better. I don't know. A snake with legs is a lizard, right? So it's not a lizard. It has long legs. It doesn't have lizard legs. Okay, and there's one last thing is another shirt. Cute. So we have this shirt. And I didn't show you, these are pants. So we have like these pants, these type of pants. Okay, and then, so let's see what she looks like with her second outfit. Okay, so here she is in the outfit she's wearing on the box. And I don't love it just because I feel like how it was mass produced, it was kind of, you know, like you can see the inside of this, like, you know, they should have closed it and sewn it. It would have looked a lot better, had a little bit more form to it too, but we'll get what we get. And here's the little necklace on her. So I want to put her into an outfit that I think will be cute. Okay, I think this is cute. So she's got her pink earrings on, her pink shoes, and then her cute little space outfit. I think she looks adorable. I love the earrings. I absolutely love the earrings. I think she just looks so cute. She's a really pretty doll. All right, so time to see if she will fit back in her locker, just like this. Ta-da! Cute. I'm so excited about these dolls. I'm so excited they finally came out. My most looked for one is Draculaura, and I want Draculaura really bad, and Laguna. Actually, I want Frankie and Claudine too. Oh yeah, I really want Claudine, yeah. So definitely Draculaura, Claudine, Laguna, and Frankie for sure. And then we have Cleo. So anyways, that's it for this video. I thank you so much for watching. Sorry about the water drama. Oh, there's still a key in here. Oh, I didn't get to show you guys the keys all together. So we have the skullet and all the keys. This is really cute. If you want to put these on your normal keychain ring or key ring, that would be cool too. Like if you made this your normal key ring, like I wouldn't see a problem with that. But, or give them to a baby. Maybe not give them to a baby. Oh, I don't think they can follow. As long as you make sure to tighten this really good and so it doesn't come undone like easy, then maybe you can give them to a baby. No, you don't. I forgot that I'm on like, can I legally say that? Okay, anyways, that's enough for this video. I so appreciate you guys watching up to this point. I appreciate you for supporting my channel, and I hope to catch you guys next time. Bye! Hot sauce. Totally forgot to open up this pink one, this last box. Here's some hot sauce. Here's a Euro with something. I think it says falafel farro. So yeah, sorry about that little segment.